So this is where I need it. Okay, where I need it now is up here. Just let them go too far on me. We get a good grip. Okay.
Flip off.
Push the bottom in. Okay, tilt it up. Is it going to go down without hitting the wall?
No, it's going to hit the wall.
Where?
On the top.
Shit. Okay, let me do it. Let it hit the wall. Easy. Okay. Now, get the weight off. Let's get this out. No, we can't. Okay.
No.
Bring it back. Give me this. No, give me this strap. Bring it back. We're going to have to put the wheels down so you can slide it out until I get a grip. Okay, back it comes. And more. What? Hang on. Okay, let's go down to the floor then. Ready? Okay.
Okay, now here we can maybe.
Turn it.
No, we have to let it right down on the floor.
Okay, well, give me the strap again because that keeps me from letting it get away on me.
Okay.
I can't reach out and hold it. Okay.
It needs to slide back a little if you can. No, it's not going to work.
Can't. The wheels are up against.
No, it's not going to work.
Come on. Put it against the wall. Put it again. Let it go.
Wait.
No, you get it.
Yeah. How are you going to do that?
Now you get it this side. Okay. See if we can.
Can we tip it this way?
No.
No, tip
See
it
if we
this
can.
way.
No. Okay, that way. Yeah. Okay. Not too much though. Let it fall. No.
Got it?
Not yet. No, we will. Okay, push it back. Push back. Oh. Okay, now. There we go.
Oh, no.
Okay,
Keep
I'll
it
leave it
centered.
there.
Okay. From here it should be easy.
I'm going to come around and take the two-wheel around the back.
Huh?
I'm going to take the two-wheel around the back and in. Okay? In the back door.
I'd say you can just lift it up here and put it right in here. And just bring it down.
Where?
Right here.
No. You go down that step. Leave it. I'll go around.